Every analysis starts with something simple. A thought, a spark, a moment when a trader sees something others don't. A pattern begins to emerge. A trend begins to tighten. A possibility starts to take shape. For years, this process was entirely human. Eyes on charts, hands drawing lines. Brains trying to predict what happens next. And while human intuition is powerful, the markets don't reward intuition alone. They reward precision. They reward certainty. They reward decisions grounded in data, not guesswork. But the truth is, in an environment this unpredictable, how can anyone be certain? This is the challenge traders have faced for decades. The challenge that inspired us to build something different. Something that completes the trader's mind instead of replacing it. Welcome to Tahlil Plus. Here, every idea, no matter how complex or simple, is supported by advanced, machine-verified AI. Not to change your strategy, but to strengthen it. Imagine this. You're analyzing a setup you've been watching all week. The entry looks clean. The structure makes sense. Everything appears right. But uncertainty lingers. What if you could send that exact analysis to an AI trained on millions of data points, an AI that specializes in probability, risk behavior, and market logic? What if, instead of hoping, you could know? Our system takes your analysis and runs it through layers of verification, pattern validation, trend consistency checks, market behavior simulations, historical pattern match accuracy, risk zone identification, and probability scoring. Then, it returns something powerful, something simple, something you can trust. Verified by TPI, this analysis has a 98.54% probability of being successful. This isn't just a number. It's clarity, it's confidence, it's insight that cuts through market noise and brings your strategy into focus. And here's the truth many forget: AI doesn't replace human intelligence. It protects it. It removes hesitation. It removes emotional bias. It removes uncertainty. It gives the analyst room to think, to build, to create, to execute. In trading, the smallest decision can change everything. A second of doubt can cost a setup. A moment of hesitation can erase a week of planning, but a verified analysis, a machine-checked breakdown, a probability score backed by data, gives you something most traders never experience: peace of mind. This is the future of analysis, a partnership between human insight and machine accuracy. The strategy is yours. The verification is ours. You no longer trade alone. You trade with clarity. You trade with confidence. You trade with Tahlil Plus.